Wow, so good.
You alone stay in Bali, or you with your friend? You
Uh,
alone?
Today alone. My friend
Alone?
gone today,
Okay.
so I'm alone today. So that's why I got time for this. So which scale is this?
Pardon?
Which scale?
This is ocarina material ceramic.
Can I try?
Yes.
Let's put this one here. I'm very interested in this flute. Any instrument. Okay, guys, I'm trying this one. Maybe I'll just use this one as well. Because our viewer will love this,
Okay.
My viewer will, because they also play this flute.
Yeah.
And they're interested. What is this? Like, what is like this? Like, it looks
This is
different.
this is a bass of Balinese flute.
Yeah.
Bass
So
Balinese.
it's the same thing, but here how you blow is different, right?
Yeah. This is the tune power. Tune power in here. This the whole sick hole, the tune hole in a play flute.
So you have a different one more hole
Yeah.
here, no?
This is a Hindu.
Here,
Yes.
we have one more hole.
No. This is the diatonic flute. This in here, and this gamelan flute.
Gamelan.
Gamelan in Bali. This not hole in
Hole.
back. No.
Okay. So let me connect this microphone
Yeah,
as well.
okay.
Hello, mic test, mic. Okay, so we have microphone here. Okay, you can play one song maybe for our audience. See, Hindi song.
Okay.
This is a Hindi girl,
Yeah,
really
I
popular
know
Hindi
that.
song. Nice song. Wow, it's so good. So good.
Yeah.
I love this. You are you Hindu as well?
Yes.
Wow, you got a
This is a
Krishna.
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 Yeah.
So I'll play one Krishna song for you.
Yeah.
So
These are the tune from gamelan, and this one the play number one in here.
okay.
Low.
Mm. It's popular here.
Yes.
This tone.
You play
I want-
here the same tune with me.
Okay, okay, I'll
Okay.
try.
Number one here.
You start from here.
You mode in hole in here.
Okay.
Yeah. No. In you hold.
Okay. All the
Yeah.
whole.
All the close.
So good. I can play as
Your
well.
position hand in here.
Position is
Yeah,
different.
You relax here.
Okay. difficult.
This
Like,
and tune more octave tune.
so you need to
Yes.
harder.
You power more.
Okay.
Power more.
I'll try playing one song. So it's the
Yeah,
same
yeah.
thing, Saregama Padanisha?
Yeah, sarigama. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, different. So which one is do, re, mi,
Do, re, mi, fa.
fa? Oh, okay.
Fa from here. Fa,
Ah.
sol.
Ah,
Sol, la, si, do.
got it. But it's in this different.
Yeah.
You know, this is different. Ah. Ah. So so how I do it? I do like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh, no full open.
No full on,
No
yeah.
full open.
No,
Okay.
full open different.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
So this one is Krishna.
Yes, I
Krishna.
know,
one.
I know.
You know that one?
Yes, I know.
Okay, let's play. You can play.
Yeah.
This one.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You know this one?
Yeah. Yes, I know. Oh, sorry.
Sound is a little bit different, but I like this sound as well. Like from this. Oh, which scale is this?
No. This is small flute and a medium.
Which scale? Ah, yeah. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Nice, so good this one. Even the small sound, it's not
Oh, you play it. And this is same
Wow.
song.
this
This is a PVC.
PVC pipe.
PVC,
Ah,
yeah.
okay, yeah. Ah, mm. Da-da-da-da-da.
This is same tune. Same tune here.
Same
Yeah, same tune.
Same tune. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
this
it's
is
a
big and this is
okay,
small.
okay. So you starting from this differently?
Different, yeah.
Different. Okay, no worries. So I start from. Little difficult. Nice. So it is bamboo from here,
Yes,
from
bamboo
Bali.
from Bali.
Ah.
Bamboo from Bali.
So you don't make this kind of flutes, no?
Pardon?
You don't make this type of flutes
I'm making
in Bali.
I know making in this year. I'm making. I'm making.
You can make this one as well,
making
right?
This one, yeah.
Yeah.
Because this is the a gift from my friend go to in India, go back in Bali, give a flute.
Ah.
Yeah, souvenir in India. The professional flute by me.
Ah. So your name is
Arik.
Arik. So it's
Yeah,
actually name Arik Suling.
Yeah.
So Suling means
Suling, Suling, this is the name Balinese, the flute
yeah.
from Bali.
Ah, okay. So Suling is a name of flutist, like
Yeah.
who? Ah.
What is the Nepalese flute? The
Bansuri,
name?
bansuri.
Bansuri.
Yeah, it's a bans, like it's a bamboo. Bamboo
Yeah,
means
bamboo
bans.
bansuri, yes.
Sur means music, so it's
Sur,
a
okay.
sur. Nice. So I'll follow your Instagram, Facebook. Oh. Nice, nice. So yeah.
The power.
So have you tried this one, morning tune?
Yeah.
So we do it when we do a morning tune like this. Okay, it's not coming.
This is technique. Technique.
No.
No?
It's just going from high to
Oh,
low, low to
going-
high, and trying to play a different.
Okay, okay.
So it sounds good, like starting from
Yeah.
this. Normally it's I don't know. It's a little bit tricky for me.
Yes. This
So like
the
this,
same power.
you don't use this hole.
Oh yeah, this hole. No.
Use this. You don't need. It's
No,
for
no.
air.
Yeah, here.
Ah.
Here.
So similar to this one as well. You don't use this hole.
Yeah.
It's for air.
This my power the power the tune
Ah.
here.
Ah. Okay.
This is you the knife.
Mm.
Knife here.
Mm.
The making here and the wind power in here.
Mm.
Power.
Ah.
And this is the sewer.
Mm.
This is sewer.
Sure.
Yeah. Very clean.
Ah.
Very clean. No the it's you very clean.
It's also bamboo, right?
Yeah,